Hi, today we're going to cover quick multiplication of three small numbers. First, let's do this question. 19 times 5 times 8. This question might seem a little scary at first, but we can multiply 5 and 2. 5 and the 2 inside this 8 because 8 is actually 2 power 3. Which means that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. So if we multiply this 5 with one of these 2's, we can make 10. So let's leave that 10 for now, and 2 times 2 is 4. 19 times 4, let's multiply 4 by 10 and 4 by 9, so we get 36 plus 40, which means that's 76. Times 10, which is 760. Let's do another one. 21 times 5 times 12. There's a 2 in 12, because 12 is 2 times 6. Multiplying this 5 and this 2, we get 10. And then 21 times 6 is 6 times 20 plus 6 times 1, which is 6. So 6 plus 120 is 126. So 10 times 126 is 1,260. For the next one, why don't you try the next one? If you got 660, you're correct. So again, we split 12 into 6 and 2. So 2 times 5 is 10, which means 10 times 6 times 11. We get 60 plus 6. 10 times 66 is 660. Now would also be a great time to pause the video and try the next one. This one's kind of hard because the multiplication after we split 14 into 2 and 7 is kind of hard. So 14 is 2 times 7. We pair up the 2 with the 5, getting 10 times 7 times 13. 7 times 13 is 70 times 7 times 3, which is 21. So that 7 times 13 is 91. So 14 times 5 times 13 is 910. Let's do one last one, and then we'll be finished. 18 times 13 times 5. 18 times 5 is, we can split 18 into 2 and 9. Then we can pair up the 2 with the 5, getting 10. That multiplied by 9 times 13. 9 times 13 is 9 times 10 plus 9 times 3. 90 plus 27, which is 9 times 3. So 9 times 13 is 117. Next we multiply 10 with 117, getting 1,170. Thank you for watching.